Hello friends, and welcome to a wonderful day with our little buddy, Koko Learner. Koko is about to show us how he makes smart and healthy choices all day long. Are you ready to learn with him? Let's go! Look! Koko is feeling a little thirsty. He sees the choices in front of him. On one side, there's a fizzy, bubbly soda. On the other, a cool, clear glass of water. Which one do you think Koko will choose? He reaches for the water. That's right. Water is so refreshing and helps our bodies feel strong and happy. It doesn't have all the extra sugar that soda has. Great choice, Koko. Taking a big sip of water helps him feel energized and ready to play. Oh, playtime is over, and now Koko's tummy is rumbling. It must be time for a snack. What do we have here? A colorful bowl of shiny candies and a beautiful plate of fresh, juicy fruits. There are red strawberries, sweet bananas, and crunchy apples. The candy looks tempting, but Koko knows what his body really needs. He picks up a yummy strawberry. Fruits are like nature's candy. They are full of vitamins that help us grow big and strong, and they give us energy to run and jump. What a smart snacker Koko is. After a fun day of playing and learning, Koko is starting to feel a little tired. His eyes are getting heavy. He could watch cartoons on his screen, or he could get ready for bed. The bright screen looks interesting, but Koko knows that a good night's sleep is super important. He decides it's time to rest. He snuggles into his cozy bed, closes his eyes, and drifts off to dreamland. Sleeping helps our brains and bodies rest and recharge for a new day of adventures. When Koko wakes up, he'll feel refreshed and full of energy. Look at that! The sun is shining, and Koko is waking up with a big smile. Because he drank water, ate healthy fruit, and got plenty of sleep, he feels fantastic. Making healthy choices helps Koko feel his best every single day. He has lots of energy to learn, play, and have fun. Just like Koko, we can make small, healthy choices that make a big difference in how we feel. Choosing water keeps us hydrated. Choosing fruits gives us good energy. And choosing sleep helps our bodies grow and our minds learn. Every healthy choice is like giving yourself a big hug from the inside. You can be a healthy hero, just like Koko. Try making a healthy choice today. Maybe you can have a piece of fruit for a snack, or drink a big glass of water when you are thirsty. It was so much fun spending the day with Koko and learning about his healthy habits. Remember, every day is a new chance to make choices that help you feel happy and strong. We hope you enjoyed our adventure with Koko Learner. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.